Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 21st, 2021, and we're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Urban Outfitters. We're going to show you all why we're expecting this particular stock to drop in price, because everyone else here on this particular platform on YouTube is only giving you one direction. They're expecting every stock that they talk about to go higher in price. They never tell you the stocks that they are anticipating to go lower. And you may ask yourself the question, why? Why are they not telling me the stocks that are anticipated to go lower? Because they don't know how to read the markets. They don't know how to read price charts. So that's why they tell you to hold stocks for 5 years, 10 years, because it gives them a longer time to be correct in expecting a stock to go higher. For us, we could play all sides of the market. We could give you ideas as to stocks that's going to go higher, stocks that's going to go lower, and even the stocks that's going to trade sideways. And if you really understand the market, you can capitalize and profit on all of those price directions. We have you. We got you. We're going to tell you the stocks that are going to go lower as well. And this is one of them, Urban Outfitters. Now, I want to give you all a heads up, because from our research, we're noticing the consumer services sector getting extremely weak. I'm just telling you all that based off the stock charts we've seen. The consumer services sector is getting real weak, and Urban Outfitters is a part of that sector. So I'm going to show you reasons as to why we think the market price is going to go lower in Urban Outfitters, tell you all how low we're expecting it to go. But before I do, I want to show you another confusion on the price chart as to why people are not able to win in the market. All right, so this is just the first time ever seeing our videos, and you all appreciate how there's finally someone here that is able to deliver price predictions all without being confused. Make sure you support this. Make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and also join this team, join this powerful community, because we are actually able to get ahead of the trap and win in the market. All right. So now let me show you this confused chart first. All right. This is one of them. Look at this particular chart. This is from Hidden Hermeneutics Trading. No wonder it's hidden. He's confused. He or she is confused as to what in the world this price is doing. That's why I guess they termed their name Hidden, because you have no idea as to where price is at. You have no idea as to where price is going to go. Look at all of these indicators on this one chart. Now we're just looking at one stock, which is Crocs. And you're trying to tell me that you need all of these indicators on your chart just to tell me what direction the market is going to go? The market can only go in 3 directions: higher, lower, or just trade sideways. So why do you have VWAP upper band, VWAP lower band, MMAs, volume, price bars, diagonal lines, colors, shapes, rockets, arrows, hands? Why do you have all that on your price chart? This tells you that this individual is completely confused. He or she has no idea as to what the market is going to do. It doesn't require all of this. If you're able to try to get anything from this chart, you're taking too much time. You need to go back and see what would be a better way for me to read these charts. Indicators are just that. They're indicating that you have no idea what you're talking about, or that you have no idea as to where you think price is going to go, period. All right. And then he or she titles this particular post actionable ideas. What type of action are you trying to deliver with this confusion? That's about the only action you're going to get: someone who's confused and dazed looking at this chart. There's no huge opportunity that you can see into the market right here in Crocs. You cannot just visually see that on this chart. And I just wanted to start, I'm going to start showing you all these confusion on these charts to let you know as to why people lose majority of the time in the markets, period. All right. We got you. We're here for you. We're here to show you all that you can literally move the price or expect price movement all without placing all of these indicators on your chart. Okay. So now let's go ahead and look at our prediction in the market for Urban Outfitters. So now the thumbnail read that we're expecting this particular stock to go lower. So we already have an idea as to what our direction price looks like. So first thing is first. Now we can see the market trend in Urban Outfitters do this, or this is the trend. Now I'm going to hold this trend right here in Urban Outfitters because price is closest to it. We are so far away from this lower ascending line, so there's no need for us to have it. So now we have a basis. We can actually see where the trend is. Just that simple. Now, see right here that this area is anticipated to hold support again into the market in Urban Outfitters, around $32. Okay. So I've already created the crossroads for us to make a determination if the market in Urban is going to continue to go higher or lower. It is right in this vicinity. Just that simple. So we've seen weakness on the chart in Urban Outfitters though. Let's look at this on a different time frame. So here we are. We're looking at the market in Urban Outfitters on the 2-day time frame, and there is still weakness here, right? $33 to $32 is our initial point of us expecting the market to try to hold price, to hold support right there around $32 to $33. Now we go out on a wider time frame. Do you think the likelihood of this market in Urban Outfitters to hold support around 32? This is the weekly time frame, and it's extremely weak here. You know, for the long term, the market in Urban Outfitters can actually break $32 to the downside. Okay. What about on the 5-week time frame? You see that? This market here in Urban Outfitters is extremely weak. And not only that, we're trading around all-time highs into the market in Urban Outfitters. This market was traded around this high area. Majority of the trading in Urban Outfitters has been below $40, right? And we're at 34 now. That also increases the likelihood that this stock is still weak. So this is what we're going to play with. 2 weeks time frame, the market here in Urban Outfitters is weak as well. It's just that simple. So we're going to play weakness into the market in Urban Outfitters. Let's see what would be the profitability in the market in Urban Outfitters on this play. $32 will give us around 5, almost 6% profitability into the market in that realm. We're going to hold this restriction point in Urban Outfitters. Let me see, right around this area here, 38. Okay, so now looking at the longer time frame, $32 definitely looks likely to be touched, but we can definitely see this market come all the way down here towards $29, $30, which is about 12%. And this is the play. It's just that easy, just that simple. You guys can tell that even with the market breaking this ascending line, $32 is the first area, all the way back down to 30. This is what we're going to play with into the market in Urban Outfitters. Okay, I am expecting the market to break this ascending line to the downside. Now we're in position. This is what we're expecting the market in Urban Outfitters to do. So now I want your opinion, your thoughts as to what you're seeing into the market in Urban Outfitters. Do you think this market is going to go lower? Do you think the market is going to go higher? Drop the comment in the comment section and let us know, what do you all see? All right, so this is it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and make sure you trade different and be watchful of any of these charts out there. It's not going to help you. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, I'll see you all on the next one.